Hello students, Namaskar to everyone. Myself Mukesh Sitwal, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, ITM University, Gwalior. So today I am going to discuss about the differentiation. So what is differentiation and how it is useful in agriculture? I will discuss this topic today. So before understanding the differentiation, we have to learn about the important things or basic things that is related with the differentiation. First is variable and constant. So constant whose value is always fixed, that is called constant. Variable means whose value is vary. So that type of values are called variables. Okay. So suppose variables are two types. First is independent variable and second is dependent variable. So here we assume x is a independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Independent variables are those variables which are independent, means you can take any value of x. Okay, so because you can take the any value of x, so it is independent. So x is called independent variable, but y is called dependent variable because the value of y is depends on the value of the x. Suppose we have given an equation y is equal to 3x plus 2. So if I choose the value of x is 1, then the answer is 5. If I take the value of x is 2, then the answer is 8. So value of y is continuously changing when we change the value of x. So we say that y is a function of x. So we write that statement as y is equal to fx. Y is a function of x. Means if we change the value of x, then the value of y will be changed. Now we go to the differentiation. Suppose here x is your time, means independent variable, and y is the growth of the plant. Okay, so growth of the plant is depends on the time. When time is increasing, the growth of the plant is also increasing. Okay, so we can say y is a function of x, means the growth of the plants is a function of time. Okay, so the rate of change of y with respect to x can be denoted by dy by dx, or the change of plant growth with respect to time can be written as dy by dx. So this is called the differentiation of the y with respect to x, or in some books it is called derivative. Differentiation or derivatives of y with respect to x. So that is called the differentiation. Means the rate of change of anything with respect to any other parameter that can be solved or that can be done with the help of the differentiation. So differentiation is basically used for that. So there are some important formula that is related with the differentiation. So suppose we have given y is equal to x to the power n. Y is equal to x to the power n. So when we differentiate y, so we can write dy by dx, or in short we write it as y dash. And the differentiation of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. So this is the formula of differentiation of x to the power n. The differentiation of any constant c is always 0. Constant means it can be a number 100, 10, 9. So the differentiation of any constant will be 0. But when any y or x is that is associated with c, then c is taken in the front side and we differentiate this y with respect to x. So that is dy by dx. Differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x, its answer will be e to the power x. When we differentiate a to the power x, then the answer will be a to the power x into log a. The differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Suppose you have given y is equal to log x. Okay. Then y dash or dy by dx is 1 upon x. Okay. Now, if suppose your function y is a sum of two functions u and v. Suppose y is equal to x square plus e to the power x. Okay. Then u is your x square and v is your e to the power x. Then how can we differentiate this? So the differentiation of sum of two functions u and v is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. So firstly we differentiate x square, then we write plus sign, then we differentiate e to the power x. So we also write it as a y is equal to u dash plus v dash. U dash means du upon dx and v dash means dv upon dx. Similarly, if suppose y is a function of y is equal to u minus v or y is equal to x square minus e to the power x, then the differentiation of this can be done as explained in previous. Only we have to write minus sign in between that. So we have to differentiate u, then we write minus, then we have to differentiate v. Next, suppose y is a function of u and v, and u is your x square and v is your e to the power x. So they are in product form. To differentiate this type of function, the formula is first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. Here your first function is u and second function is v. So first see the formula. First function u and differentiation of second function. Second function is your v. The differentiation of v is dv upon dx plus second function, that is v, differentiation of first function du upon dx. So that is the formula. Next, suppose your y is equal to quotient of two functions. Suppose x square upon e to the power x. And how can you solve this? So for that the formula is denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, so here u is your numerator and v is your denominator. So the formula is denominator v into differentiation of numerator. Numerator is your u and u dash is the differentiation of the numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Denominator is your b and its differentiation is b dash divided by denominator square. So this is b is your denominator, so it's a square. So this is the formula of differentiation of quotient of two functions. Here u dash is du upon dx and v dash is dv upon dx. So now we will move to the numerical problems that is associated with this topic. So here a function fx is given to you and you have to differentiate this function. So when we differentiate fx, the function becomes f dash x. Okay, it is equal to, then we write this 15 and differentiation of x to the power n is nx की power n minus 1. So what is n here? That is 100. So we have to write this 100 in front of this. 100 into x to the power n minus 1. 100 minus 1, that is 99. So the simple thing is that the power that you have given in the x to the power, so you have to write this in front side and then you have to write the x and reduce the power by 1. 100 minus 1, that is 99. Okay, then we have to write this minus 3. So we write this minus 3 x to the power 12. So 12 is comes in the front side and x to the power 12 minus 1. So this becomes 11. Then 5 and differentiation of x with respect to x is always 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 and this is constant 46, so its differentiation is 0. Now final answer is 15 into 100 is 1500 x to the power 99. 3 into 12, 36 x to the power 11 plus 5 into 1, that is 5. So this is the solution of the question that is given to you. Now we will see the next question. Okay, so here gt is given to you. So the differentiation of gt is g dash t. Okay, so what is here? 2. So we write this 2 t to the power 6. So this comes in front side and t to the power 6 minus 1, that is 5 plus 7 and here t to the power is minus 6. So this minus 6 is comes in front side and t to the power minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So here 2 6 are 12, t to the power 5, 7 into minus 6, that is minus 42 and t to the power minus 7. So this is your final answer of this question. Okay, now we will move to the third question. So you have given y is equal to 8z cube. So we write 8z cube. Okay, then minus 1 by 3. So we write minus 1 by 3 and here z to the power 5 is given in the denominator. So when this power goes to the numerator, then its sign will be changed. So z to the power plus sign becomes z to the power minus sign when it moves from the denominator to the numerator. Then plus z minus 23 minus 23. Then we differentiate this. So 8, we write 8 into, so z to the power 3, differentiation of z to the power 3. So this 3 power comes in front side, and z to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then we write minus 1 by 3, and the power of z is minus 5, so we write minus 5, and z to the power minus 5 minus 1, so it is minus 6, plus the differentiation of z with respect to z is 1, and minus 23 is constant, so its differentiation will be 0. So 8 into 3, that is 24, z is square, so it is z square. So this minus, and this minus multiplied, so it becomes plus 5 into 1, that is 5, divided by 3, so divided by 3, and z to the power minus 6, so it is z to the power minus 6, and it is plus 1, this is plus 1. So this is your final answer of this question. Now we will move to our next question. So here we will given y is equal to cube root of x square. So we write here x square, and cube root means its power is 1 by 3. Okay. So x, it is 2 into 1, that is 2, divided by 3. So it's become x to the power 2 by 3. And the second function, you have to write this. So x to the power 2 by 3 is your first function, and 2x minus x square is your second function. So it is the product of two functions. So what is the formula of calculating the differentiation of product of two functions? That is first function, that is your x to the power 2 by 3, okay, into differentiation of second function. So differentiation of second function is 2x minus x square. So we write 2. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2, minus differentiation of 2x square, x square. So this 2 power comes to the front side, and x to the power 2 minus 1. So that is 1, plus second function 2x minus x square into differentiation of first. So differentiation of x to the power 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3 comes in the front side, and x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. So in top work we do 2 by 3 minus 1. So this 3 and 1, LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So this one is multiplied with this 2. So this becomes 2, and minus this 3 is multiplied with this one, this becomes 3. So it is minus 1 by 3. So here the power of x is minus 1 by 3. So this is your final answer of the question. So that is similar to this one. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Okay. So this is also, this is your first function, and this is your second function. So you have to solve this problem that I have explained in previous, the product of two functions. This is your first function, and this is your second function. So you have to solve this problem in your home, and if you feel any problem while solving this question, so you can contact me. Now there are some trigonometric functions are there. So the differentiation of sine x will be cos x, differentiation of cos x will be minus sine x. dy dx means its differentiation. Differentiation of tan x will be sec square x, and the differentiation of cot x will be minus cosec square x. So it is minus cosec sec square x. So you have to write in full form, not in this short form. So differentiation of sec x will be sec x into tan x. and differentiation of cosec x, that is this, will be minus cosec x into cot x. So you have to remember these 6 formula, then you will be able to differentiate the trigonometric functions. So here a question that is given to you, that is gx is equal to 3 sec x minus 10 cos x. So you have to differentiate this. So when we differentiate gx, then it will become g dash x. So we write 3, and differentiation of sec x is sec x into 10x. Then we write this minus here 10. Differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. So we write this 3 sec x into 10x here, and this minus when multiplied, so this become plus. So we write this 10 and this sin x. So this is your final answer of this question. Similarly, you have to do this numerical problem in your home, and if you feel any difficulty, then you can contact me. So I will show you a different kind of question. Okay, here you have given pt is equal to sin t upon 3 minus cos t. So this is a numerical of division of two variables u upon v. So what is the formula? Denominator to differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of numerator, differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, so here when pt is differentiated, it becomes p dash t, then denominator, so this is your denominator, this into differentiation of numerator, so differentiation of sin t will be cos t minus numerator, so this is a numerator, into differentiation of denominator. So differentiation of this 3 is 0, then minus 2, and differentiation of cos t will be minus sin t. Okay, so when this minus is multiplied with this minus, this becomes plus, so it is 2 plus 2 sin t divided by denominator square. Denominator is your 3 minus 2 cos t, its square. Then this cos t is multiplied with this 3, so this becomes 3 cos t, then minus this cos t is multiplied to this cos t, so this becomes cos square t, and this is 2, so we write this 2. Then this 2 when multiplied with minus, then become minus 2, and sin t multiplied with this sin t, this becomes sin square t divided by denominator square. So denominator is your 3 minus 2 cos t, its square. So this is your final answer of this question. So I hope you understand the differentiation of basic differentiation of the functions, and after that we go to some difficult topics. So thank you so much.